it? Can we see it? There's Mommy.
Hi, William.
There's Mommy.
Hey, buddy. Forget about Mommy.
He likes his grandma.
Here, let's go see Mommy. And Henry.
Hi.
Who's that? Look.
It's your baby brother.
Yeah, you're done, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Everybody's taking
Everybody's
video.
watching you.
What's going
We're all
on?
watching you.
Yeah, baby. Did Mommy have a hug?
Has he even noticed a
No.
baby
No,
yet?
he hasn't noticed the baby yet.
Yeah.
Hey, William. You got a new brother.
Yeah.
Out from the shadows. Yeah.
It's like, Mommy looks occupied right now. I guess I'll just sit with Daddy.
Who's Mommy got?
Yeah.
Who's Mommy got?
This is before I turn this back on. Yeah. Look. Look. It's your baby brother. So why is everybody staring at me with all these cameras?
Diaries.
You want down?
What's going on?
You want to get down?
Or do you want to give Mama a hug?
Here we gotta go. William, meet Henry. Henry, meet William.
Yeah, the family portrait.
I'm gonna go over here where the light's at my back.
So what's up, guys?
What's going on, huh? Who is that behind you, William? Oh, is that a baby? Is that a baby?
Look, it's Henry.
It's a baby brother.
You want to get everybody out of your face, huh? Say, get out of my face. Get out of my face.
This is the new family structure.
Oh, that was cute.
Okay.
That
Can I have a hug? Yeah, let me have a hug. You don't want to give me a hug, huh?
Yeah. Like, hi.
Give me Grandpa.
Do you want to go see Grandma? No. You don't really know what to do, huh?
Yeah.
It's frozen.
Yeah, that's okay.
Perform for us.
It's frozen.
No, the 2-year-old.
Oh, he's making some
It says it
noise.
can't connect to the camera. Brother, never in my life has this happened.
Frozen?
Yeah, it won't connect to it. It says
Papa,
it
what are you doing?
cannot connect to the camera.
Let me get a
Sorry, it cannot connect to the. Look at it. Can't connect to the
Oh.
camera.
Be nice.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna just turn
That's
it off. Huh?
Henry.
So
That's
I'm not
his
gonna
hand.
have it. Bummer.